Hey everybody, James here from All American Guardian. The topic for today is going to be researching your competition, or you could just use this information to research WordPress themes and hosting for your own website. So what do I mean by this? Let's say that you are searching uh, searching the web, searching on Google for um, websites that are in your niche, and you really like the way that they're laid out. You like the theme. Let's say that you're in pet grooming. Okay, you come across this website and you're like, wow, I really like the way everything's laid out. This is a really cool website. It looks nice. I wish I knew what WordPress theme that they were using. So what you can do, there's a couple things you can do. First of all, you may not even know that this is a WordPress website. So there's two ways that I use to figure out if it's a WordPress website that I'm looking at. The first way is you can right click and go to View Page Source. Now this is the code for the website. This is like all the HTML code that makes up this particular page that we're looking at. If you scroll down, you'll start seeing these links in here, and if you see WP dash anything, WP, 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 you see there's tons of them in here. So that tells me right there that this is a WordPress website. So let me click off of this. Another way that you can tell is up here in the address bar. If you just add a /WP-admin, it should bring us to a WordPress login screen, just like the one on your website. Let's see, it's thinking. They may have it redirected. I've never had one take this long, so maybe this was a bad example. I'm going to stop it, and we're going to try something else. We're going to try /WP-login-PHP. There we go. Okay, so that's another one you can use. If WordPress WP-admin is not working, you can do WP-login.php. I know this is, for those of you that aren't used to looking at all this terminology and these abbreviations, if you just go over onto my website, you may already be on my website watching this, but if you're on YouTube, you can go over to my website, allamericanguardian.com, go to the blog, and look for this blog post. It will be titled the same as the YouTube video and around the same date. And I will have this actually, the entire transcript from this video there so that you can see these abbreviations and words, and you can just copy that and paste it right into the address bar. Okay, so that's two ways to find out. Something else you can do, can't remember what the name of that site was. Houston Pet Grooming. Let's go find that again. I think it was this one. Yep. We can copy this URL, this domain name, and put it into this thing here. This website's called wpthemedetector.com, and it will tell us a lot of cool things about the website. Let's get rid of all that. Okay, so we just put the domain name in there and hit the green button and let it do its thing. Should just take a few minutes here. I'm not sure how long this will take, so I'm probably going to pause it for just a second here. I'll tell you how long it took. Okay, and it's done. It literally only took about 20 seconds. So they're using the Avada theme. Well, just so happens that in one of my previous videos where I was talking about themes, this is one of the themes that I actually recommended because it's a very popular theme and I've heard great things about it. I've never used it myself, but I know that it's a popular theme, and this just goes to show right here. This was not pre-planned or anything. This is just a random website that I picked. They're using Avada. So anyhow, they're using Avada theme. Sometimes it will tell us other information. They got Avada from Theme Forest. That's where you can purchase it. They've detected a couple of plugins. They're using a social testimonials and reviews plugin, and they're using a slider revolution plugin. That slider revolution is this thing right here, this big, huge header slider. Watch. In a second here, this image will rotate. Let's see. It was doing it on its own a while ago. There it goes. Okay. So this is a slider. So that's a plugin controlling that. And then just says they're using WordPress, and that's about it. So that gives you a little bit more information, okay? So whether you're doing some type of competition research, or you're just researching for yourself because you like a particular site and you want to know, what they're using so that you can kind of try to replicate that, these are some tools that you can use. Now, one other thing, this is another site I pulled up here in the Houston area that's also a groomer. If I right-click on this one and go to View Page Source, there is nothing in here that says WP. So I know it's not a WordPress website. It's just a basic HTML website, and I could have probably guessed that just from looking at it because it's kind of 2002 to 2004-ish looking. No offense to whoever owns this website, but so that's just an example of what it would look like if it wasn't a WordPress website. You could go to the view page source and you would not see any WPs in there anywhere. And if we try to go up here to, let's see, wp-login.php, it's probably going to be a 404 error. Yep. Sorry, the page you're looking for cannot be found. So that's it. Okay, that's how you can tell if a website is using WordPress, and that's how you can detect what theme they're using, and sometimes even detect some of the plugins that they're using. If you have any questions about this, put them in the comments below, and I'll be sure and get back to you. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video.
All American Guardian, keeping vigil watch over your business website.